Alright, so let's get this thing started up. Might run a little rough. It's been sitting for a minute. But then we'll let you know how this audio sounds. Oh yeah, she running a little rough. Need to be run. Need to run it. Smooth right out though. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Oh yeah, she smoothed right out. You don't like to sit. Plus I know the gas tank's having a bit of an issue too with it being crushed. I got like less than a quarter tank of gas in here. Pickup tube's probably not picking up as it should. Let's turn this unit on here. Sorry for the weird angles here. Eventually I'll get better equipment and all that good stuff, but for all intents and purposes, we will show you what this unit pushes out here. Alright, let's go Bluetooth. Alright. My other phone here, so let's see if we can get music going on this unit. I am using my primary phone for this video. So let's see, let's get Bluetooth. Alright, we got Bluetooth on. We got audio. Have it on 10. You can see the volume there. At the very bottom of the screen, I do have not the best angle in the world. Here, let me adjust this so everybody can see this just a bit better. Like I said, not the best angles that I have, but having to work with what I got. So, still enjoyable. Alright, now let's get back to this. Well, maybe. Phone's being funny. Alright, so we on 10. Oh, let me close these doors. Yeah, we got 10. We're on 15. Same kind of thumps. So that's 15.
HPA Beats.
But yeah, so that is the system there. I feel like for some reason I think I dumbed down my system a little bit before, but might have a better test here. So, there you have it. 35 seems good. Of course, y'all can't feel that on the other side, but ooh, feel it in your chest.